China delivered the second of 4 powerful Type 054 AP frigates to the Pakistan Navy on Thursday. Pakistan Navy Ship TAIMUR was commissioned at Hudong Zhonghua, Hertz, Shipyard, China. Head of Pakistan Navy mission at China Commodore Rashid Mehmood Sheikh graced the occasion as chief guest. PNS Taimur is the second ship of 4 Type 054 AP frigates constructed for Pakistan Navy. The first 054 AP frigate PNS TUGHRIL joined PN fleet in January 2022, while another 2 frigates of same class are presently under construction at China. PNS Taimur is a technologically advanced and highly capable sea asset having high-tech weapons and sensors, latest combat management and electronic warfare system to fight under multi-threat environment. These ships will provide sustainable boost to the combat capability of Pakistan Navy and enable to meet emerging challenges in the domain of maritime security and regional peace, the Navy said in a statement. Speaking on the occasion, the chief guest underlined that induction of state-of-the-art Type 054 AP frigates will significantly enhance Pakistan Navy capabilities in strengthening defense of sea frontiers. He also praised the concerted efforts made by China State Shipbuilding Corporation, CSSC, China Shipbuilding Trading Company, CSTC, China Ship Development and Design Center, CSDDC, Hertz Shipyard, and PLA, Navy, for the landmark achievement by timely delivery of the well-equipped and potent frigate.